How to contact customer support on Fiverr. Our guest facing issues to contact customer support on Fiverr application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. Once you open the Fiverr app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now scroll down and click on support. After you click on support, you will be forwarded to this section. Over here, you scroll down or just simply tap on search bar and search the issue that you are facing on Fiverr. Once you tap on it, you can see the options or solutions for your issues. If it doesn't help you, then you scroll down and click on contact us. After you click on contact us, you will be forwarded to this page. Now just simply tap on message and write down your issues and click on send button. As soon as you click on send, their customer support will help you out with your issues. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna contact customer support on Fiverr. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.